Hi Amy and Carol. I wanted to show you a video of your IKEA kitchen. I think it's a little easier to see it this way, and then I can give you a walkthrough cabinet by cabinet. I'll do a 360 turn here. Okay, so on the range wall, there's a 36-inch drawer to the left and an 18-inch to the right. I went with the same configuration on these small, medium, large. This is kind of standard and gives everybody plenty of storage for various sized things. The top mirrors that. Got an 18 cabinet above the 18 and a 36 above the 36. These are both just open shelves. And then the microwave cabinet is between the two. This is 30 inches wide. And typically your ducting, your exhaust venting will go through here. So this isn't really that functional, but it at least looks clean on the outside. I wanted to show you what it looks like with a refrigerator cabinet with the panel. This gives it a sort of built-in look, and it's very popular. People really love this feature. So it's just an open cabinet above. And then to the right, we have an 18-inch cabinet. These are all 40 inches in height, and this one is 18 inches in width. They're also all 15 inches in depth. So you're going to get a little bit more depth out of these than you have in there currently. So I also wanted to include a trash enclosure. This is really, really popular. Everybody wants this in their kitchen. If you decide that you don't want to include this, this is a 18-inch wide and this is a 12-inch wide. Next to it, we can swap both of those out for a 30-inch wide cabinet, and that would be less expensive for both materials and installation. So that might be something you want to do. This is just an open cabinet without any drawers. It's nice to put like cookie sheets and cutting boards into this cabinet if you take those shelves out. And then the sink cabinet is 36 inches wide, centered under your window. Dishwasher on the right, and then two 24-inch wide drawers. If you'd like to change out some of these drawers with cabinets, this might be a good place to do that. I would recommend keeping the drawers next to the range for easy access to pots and pans and spatulas, that sort of thing. It is nice, though, to have at least one drawer over here for the silverware. I imagine like plates would probably be stored over in this area, so silverware might be as well. So just stuff to think about when you're, thinking about maybe cutting some costs of the materials. Above that is an 18-inch cabinet on the other side of the window. I wanted to mirror that and have it be even. And then I've got two 21-inch doors here. Let's get a little closer. So these are all just open cabinets. So another option, instead of doing the 18 and two 21s, is to do two 30s side by side. So these won't exactly match this side as far as the door panels, but it is a darker color and you don't see it as much. So this might be better because you're getting the same amount of storage, but only in two cabinets instead of three. Okay, I think that's everything we discussed at our meeting. If you would like to make any changes, to the handles or the countertop or any changes in the cabinet configurations, those are all things I'd be happy to help you with. So please just let me know, and I hope you enjoyed your tour. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.